peasant, we are strangers here, and night is gathering fast. The stars scarce glimmer in the sky, and moans the mountain blast. Canst tell us of a place to rest. We're wearied with the road. No churl the peasant used to be, with homely couch and food. I cannot help myself, nor know where ye may rest or stay. A few more hours the moon will shine and light you on your way. But peasant, can you let a man appeal to you in vain? Here at your very cabin door, amid the pelting rain. Here in the dark and in the night, where one scarce sees a span. What? Close your heart and close your door and be an Irishman. No, no, wrong. The moon will rise in a short hour or two. What can a peaceful laborer say, or a poor toiler do? You're poor, well here's a golden chance to make you rich and great. 500 pounds are on our heads, the gibbet is our fate. Fly, raise the cry and win the gold, or some may cheat you soon. And we'll abide by the roadside and wait the rising moon. What ails the peasant? Does he flush at the wild greed of gold? Why seizes he the wanderer's hands? Hark to his accents bold. Oh, I have a heart for you, neighbor's eye, and a hearth and a home. I and a health for you, neighbors. God bless ye and prosper ye. Come out of the light of the soldiers. Come in amongst the children and all, and they'll guard ye for sake of old Ireland, till Connaught himself gets a fall. To the devil with all their gold guineas. Come in, everything is your own. And I'll kneel at your feet, friends of Ireland. What I wouldn't for king on his throne. God bless ye that stood in the danger, in the midst of the country's mishap, that stood up to meet the big famine. Walk, ye are the men in the gap. Come in with a cade meal of falcha. Sit down and don't make any noise, till I come for more comforts to crown ye, till I gladden the hearts of the boys. Ara, shake hands again, noble fellows, that left your own homes for the poor. Not a man in the land could betray you, or shut up his heart